In this video, we'll show you how to post a video resume on the CazVid employment app. Open the CazVid app on your phone, and to post your video resume, click the logo icon button labeled Create, then click Create a Video Resume. Here, you can create your video resume directly in the app. This is your chance to talk directly to an employer, introduce yourself, and make a memorable first impression. If you want to be more creative with your video resume, show off your skills, your portfolio, or edit your video, you can click the button down here and you can upload a pre-made video. Just remember that your video has to be less than 30 seconds. Once you are done recording or uploading, you can preview your video, redo the video, or if satisfied, click Next and your video will upload. Then click Continue. Here, you will fill in your resume details such as your video title, description, choose your desired job categories, then click Next. Select whether you're looking for remote work, on-site, or both. Next, enter your location info and your desired pay. Now you can preview your completed video resume. Working in design and marketing for over 25 years. Satisfied? Click Publish. We manually review and approve all videos. Click on the profile gear icon in the upper left and you will see your new video resume is now pending review. Once approved, it will then be live and published in the CazVid app and ready for you to start sharing, messaging, and applying for jobs. Thanks for using the CazVid employment app. Contact us if you have any questions, and be sure to watch our other tutorial videos. Thanks.